Hello everyone. I hope you had a good half term. So we're back on online learning today. Okay, so it's Monday. So have a good day, and we're going to start our new maths topic today. Okay, so our new maths topic is money. Okay, and I'm sure you've all seen money before. Okay, if you haven't, then you're going to learn about the different types of money that there are. Okay, money is what you use or what you can use when you go into a shop. Okay, so if a sweet costs £1, and you pay £1, you get the sweet. Okay, so we're going to learn about all the different coins and notes that you can use in the United Kingdom. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be learning what notes and coins there are, and we're going to just be finding out amounts of money. Okay, so I'm going to turn my screen around, and I'm going to show you what we're learning today. So you should be able to see my screen. Okay, so here is all the British money in the world. Okay, well, not in the world, in Britain. Okay, so these are all the different types of coins and notes you can have. Okay, so you can have this one here, which is a 1p. That's 1 pence. Okay, 2 pence. You have a 5 pence, a 10 pence, a 20 pence, a 50 pence. Okay, and then this coin here is a pound. Okay, £1 and £2. Okay, now just like hundreds, tens, and ones, okay, 100 pence becomes £1. So if you've got 100 pennies, 100 pence, you've got £1. Okay, and if you've got 200 pence, well, you've got £2. Okay, and then we've got notes. Okay, so notes are money that is worth more. Okay, so we've got a £5 note, which is worth £5, a £10 note, which is worth £10, a £20 note, which is worth £20, and a £50 note, which is worth £50. Okay, now when you go into the shop and you want to buy something, you can use any notes and any coins to make the amount that you want to buy. Okay, so if you want to buy something that's £3, well, there isn't a £3 coin. Okay, so you could use £1 and £2, because £2 and £1 is £3. Okay, or you could use a £5 note. You pay £5, the item costs £3, so you get what's called change. So the shopkeeper will give you some money back, so you've only paid £3. Okay, and you'd get £2 back. Now, when we're using money, it's very important that you can add money up to see how much is there. Okay, but just before we do that, we're just going to look at how money works. Okay, so here we've got 78p. Yeah. Okay, now if that was in pounds, well, there isn't 100 pence there, so that would just stay 78p. Okay, but here's the second one. If we've got 100 pence, okay, well, we've said 100 pence is the same as £1. Okay, so 100 pence equals £1. And if we've got 272 pence, well, we've got 200s there. Okay, and if I've got 200 pence, I've actually got £2, and then we put what's called a decimal point there, and then we have our pence, 72 pence. Okay, so that's just how money works. And if you've written a pound, you don't need to write the pence as well. Okay, so it's £2, 72, and we have to make sure we have the dot there, so we know we're not looking at pounds anymore, we're actually looking at the pence this side. Okay, so that's just how money works quickly. Okay, but today we're just going to be adding money up. So you're going to be given some coins and some notes. Okay, there's only coins on this example, and you need to add it up. Okay, well, this one here is 10p. Okay, and we want to find out how much money is there altogether. Okay, and altogether means adding. Okay, so we're adding all these coins together. We've got 10p there, we've got another 10p there, we've got a 20p, we've got a 2p, and we've got a 5p. Okay, so we need to add all these together. Correct that. We need to add all these coins together to find out how much there is all together. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to do it. You might want to start with the biggest one and add on the next smallest, until you've added them all on. You might notice there's a pattern, so you could put all this together. It's 30p. Okay, and 30p add 20p. It's 50p. And then 50 add 5 and 2 equals 57p. Okay, it's up to you how you want to add it. Okay, you could just add each one. You could add the biggest first. You could group them into things that you know. So 3 10s are 30, add 2 is 5, 5 10s 50p, add the rest. Okay, it's up to you how you want to add it. Okay, but you need to add them all together to find out how much is there. So 10 add 10, 20, 30, add 20 is 50, add 2, 52, add 5, 57. Okay, doing it like that's probably not the most efficient way, but it's up to you how you want to do it. And altogether there's 57p. Okay, so let's look at the next example. So we've got 50p there. We've got 20p, 20p, and we've got 10p. Okay, now I need to add all this together. So 50 add 20 is 70, add another 20 is 90, add 10 is 100p. Okay, so we've got 100p there. Now, some of you will be looking at that saying, that's not, we've got 100p, but we wouldn't say 100p, we'd say, well, we've got 100 pence, and we said 100 pence is the same as £1. Okay, so we've actually got £1 there. Okay, doesn't matter how you add them. If I was doing that in my head, I would have added all these first and got up to 50p, and then 50 add 50 is 100. Okay, but it's up to you. But because we've got 100p, we actually change that to £1. Okay, because we've got 100, which is £1. Okay, and then we've got no other p, so it just stays £1. Okay, and the last example we're going to look at, we've got some notes. Okay, so we've got £10, add £10, these two £10 notes here, which is 20. And then we've got the £5, so 20 add 5 is 25. So altogether we've got £25. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be looking at amounts of money. You're going to be adding them up to see how much is there altogether. Okay, it might be a good idea, just to help you, if you keep this up and you can look at this to remind you what the coins are. Okay, lovely. Let's see how you get on with that, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.